Hi and welcome to Onkyo's new Android app. I'll be running through a lot of the features of the app and how you can actually control an Onkyo AVR. So here it is firing up, and instantly you'll actually find your particular AVR on the network. You select it and it will drop straight to the main screen. The main screen shows you the power status, the input, the DSPs and also the volume and the Android icon. Selecting the input allows you to scroll up and down to actually change the input. Here we go, straight onto BD DVD, or we can select another input, net, and obviously the changes made here will be mirrored actually on the AV receiver. So pressing the net button takes you to your network services, vTuner, Last.fm, Napster, so on. So if you press Last.fm, it'll actually go and grab the information from the AVR, and the first thing you have to do is sign into your account. So you enter your username, your password, and it will take you straight to your Last.fm account. With the vTuner, it works exactly the same way. The vTuner actually inside the AVR, you select your country, particular station, and you find the radio station that you want. Just tap it. You'll get two-way feedback come back, as in the radio station you're listening to. And now we can actually change the DSPs. So music modes, movie modes, game modes. The page buttons at the bottom allow you to scroll through the direct access to bass, treble, center channel level and subwoofer level. And you get a nice blue glow around them to actually show they're active and running. By pressing the Android button, it'll actually take you to the music stored actually on the phone, and then we can run through the particular music, find the track you want, press play, and away you go. You'll get cover artwork and text information back. As you can see on screen, it's mimicked back on the AVR, and then you've got control of pause, volume up and down. Again, it glows blue, highlighted, to let you know you're actually using it. And pressing the remote button takes you back to the main page. Here we can select main zone or zone 2 power. Turn zone 2 on. You can select source, which is actually what you're listening to on the main zone, or you can select a different input, and then you can run zone 2 on a different input at a different volume at the same time. And you can adjust the presets up and down, all depending on what you have stored. This page actually works the same way as the Onkyo remote control, with the nav buttons up, down, left and right, setup, return and home. As you can see here, pressing the setup button takes you into the main menu of the AVR, and you can use the up, down, left and right to control it. We can actually change some of the device settings in the menu. Here we've got the model name. We can change the actual model name to anything you want, in fact. You'll also display the MAC address and the IP address to make things a bit easier for you. Zone 2 name you can remap, so call it kitchen or garden. And you can select or deselect particular inputs. You may not have all of the inputs filled up with devices, so you can turn them on or off and actually move their priority up and down. The same thing with the network service. If you don't use Napster, you don't have to have that selection on. Well, I hope you've liked this small introduction to the Onkyo Android app. We'll be doing an in-depth one later on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.